In this brief video, you will learn how to develop good conversations with others. Without further ado, let's get started. What is a conversation? A conversation is an interaction with two or more people. Conversations can be on many topics. Everyone has conversations every day. If we continue this habit, our interaction will only get better. A conversation always starts with "Hi" or "Hello." This is known as a greeting. If we want to leave, we can say "See you" or "Goodbye." Situations that we may use conversations include but not limited to with your friends, your parents, your siblings, with teachers, etc. Here are a few tips to try when in conversations. Try to avoid things like like, you know, etc. Speak your words out clearly. Use intonation. Answer questions the other person may ask. Smile. Treat the other person the respect he or she deserves. Express yourself. Show you're engaged. Avoid looking away. Maintain eye contact. Face the person to ensure you're listening. Maintain good posture. Show your full attention to the person. Participate. Make offers. Understand and ask questions when possible. If you want to say something, use one of the below phrases to kindly interrupt. Excuse me. May I interject? If I may. You may go on. Sorry. Here is a conversation scenario. Person A, "Hi there." Person B, "Hi. How are you?" Person A, "I'm doing fine. How about yourself?" Person B, "Not bad. Thank you." Person A, "May I interject?" Person B, "Sure." Person A, "Goodbye." Person B, "See you later." You've learned what a conversation is, tips in getting your conversation smooth as possible and word vocab. Thank you for watching and see you later in the next video.